Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Salesforce formula add year to date. So let's proceed and understanding how to add year to date in Salesforce. So if you want to add specific number of year to a date, you are going to use two Salesforce functions. That is a date function and year function. And by using these two functions, we will create a formula that is visible on your screen. Now we are going to use this formula to show the example how we use this add year to date advanced formula in Salesforce. So let's proceed, and here we move to our Salesforce account, and here you can see I open my Salesforce account, and by default it is open in the Lightning edition. If you are not in the Lightning edition, so switch to Lightning first and then you can proceed your following steps. So firstly, we move to our setup home page. So for this, we click on the gear icon and click on the setup option, and it will redirect us to the setup home page. And our you can see that, and our home page is open. And on the top navbar, we can see there is an object manager present. Click on this object manager, and from here you want to select the object, and here I search the product object in the quick find box and enter the product in the quick find box and select the product object, and it will redirect us to the product object page. And on the left side under the details we can see that there is a fields and relationship present. Click on this fields and relationship, and it will redirect us to the fields and relationship page, and here we click on the new button for creating the new field. And we move to the new custom field page, and it asks to choose the field type, and here we are choosing the formula field type because we are adding the year to a date in Salesforce. So we click on the radio button of the formula and then click on the next step, and we move to our next step, and here it asks to choose the output type, and here we enter the first label type, and here we enter the label as a product expiry. So we enter the label product expiry, and then click on the field name which is automatically filled by simply clicking on the field, and then when as we scroll down, and there is a formula return type present, and here we choose the formula return type. As we are going to add year to date, you will always get the result in a date. So here we click on the radio button of the date and then click on the next button, and it will redirect us to the next step, that is we adding the formula, and here we entering the formula in the formula field. So here I enter my formula. So wait some second, and here we enter my formula. So here you can see that I enter my formula that calculates the expiry of the product based on the product manufacture date. I will explain you the formula. This formula first check the product manufacture date is February or not. I set the month to second with respect to the specific year. So it will add one year to the date and return the February 28, one to the date and return the February 28 of the particular year. Otherwise, it adds one year to the product and then add one year to the product manufacturing date year exactly, which calculate one year in the addition. So after entering the formula, now check the syntax. So I click on the check syntax option, and it gives the message as a no syntax error in the merge field of the function. Compile size 777 characters. So we write our formula correct. In this case, I using the date function. So in this formula, I using the if function, month function, day function, date function, and year function of the Salesforce for creating this formula, which calculate the expiry of the product. And then scroll down, and here we can also enter the description, help text, and we can also add the blank field handling if we want, and then click on the next button, and we will redirect to the next step, that is establish the field level security. Here we select the profiles to which we grant the added access to the field. Via field level security, the field will be hidden from all the profiles if we do not add it to the field level security. But here we want all the profiles to visible, so we click on the visible checkbox and then hit the next button, and it will redirect us to the next step where we can add to the page layout and select the page layout that should include this field page layouts, and the field will be added as the last field in the first two column section of these page layouts. The field will not appear on any pages if you do not select a layout, and we click on the save button. After saving the button, after click on the save button, we can see our field is created as a product expiry, and it is present under the fields and relationship section. Here we can see our field product expiry is created successfully. Now we will check how it works. So I click on the app launcher and search the product in the search box and click on the product, and it will redirect us to the product record page, and here you can see the product record page is open. Now I click on the new button and create the new record, and here I enter the product name and then enter the product code, and then you can see there is a product date purchase date, sorry, and then enter the purchase date, and then here you can see the product manufacturer field is present. Select the product manufacturer field and click on the save button, and our product is created and will redirect us to the next page, that is the detail page, and here you can see the product manufacturer is this 28 2024, and the product expiry is this 28 2025, which is 1 year, which add 1 year to this product manufacture date. So with this we have learned how to add year to a date in Salesforce Lightning. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.